Here is BALA AI app chat with Soulful AI. So let's just install it. So here's the app. Yeah. Privacy will be fully protected, available to chat 24/7 without queuing, billions of AI characters for you. Custom your own soulful character AI, build your personal kingdom in BALA AI. Privacy, chat anytime, billions of AI characters. Then you can just open it up. And then you can just see here that here is the idea. And then they ask you to upgrade right away, and then you just have something like this, so kind of similar layout to Talkie AI. Then you can just send messages. You can get some suggestions of the messages. I don't know what this asterisk mean. Then you have settings. These are like VIP settings where you can change speed, change chat color, where you also have gems which you can get. You can earn them just by watching ads. Then you can also ask for a selfie. You can ask for a story, so log in for have some stories here. So quite a lot of features, yeah, in this app. Then you have all your chats. Then you can create your own character. Then you can explore. Then you have your character. And that's where it is. So I didn't even create an account, but if you want to share it, that's what it is. But they don't have any referral program to get free coins, so you need to know that. So yeah, that's where it is. That's the app at the moment. So try it out. And yeah, I don't know whether it's available on Android. And then you can see that yearly it's $70. But however, I wouldn't advise you to pay right away. I would just browse the app a bit, and sometimes in these apps you will see pop-up appearing, and then you have 50% discount in this kind of app. So, again, so if you want to upgrade to VIP, don't upgrade right away. Try to use this app a bit, and then eventually you might see a pop-up that this app is 50% cheaper. So that's where it is. And yeah, so that's how you have it. And that's yeah, that's the app.